Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. I have a quick unboxing for this week. It is a seasonal unboxing that I do. I'm going to try and get through this actually fairly quickly because this week I'm in a training class for work and it's been very long days. It's like 9:30 right now. And I haven't looked at the clock because honestly I'm going to see how late it is and realize how much I still need to get done, and I don't even want to know. But anyway, I am going to do this. I'm exhausted. It's been a long week, but I still want to film this so that I can open it up. It's been sitting on my shelf for a few days now and I've just been so eager to open up this box. But anyway, I'm going to be unboxing the FabFitFun this week. It is the FabFitFun Summer 2021 box. To be honest with you, when I was customizing this box and when I saw like the box spoilers on their Instagram and stuff, part of me almost unsubscribed to the box. There was a lot of customizations that were part of boxes from last year, and I know I wasn't the only one thinking it because I read the comments. I didn't leave a comment, but I was reading the comments on their Instagram page, and a lot of people were just like not very happy with the customization options because a lot of the products they had received last year. But FabFitFun assured everybody that unless they specifically choose that item to customize and put in their box, that they would not receive any items that were featured in previous boxes unless you wanted them. So I'm hoping that that is the case for this box. I honestly don't even remember what I customized in this box because it's been quite some time. So we're going to dig into it and see what is inside. Also, I'm looking at my little playback screen here and it is a small screen. I need to get a bigger monitor for filming, but I think that my lighting is going to be off in this video because I am messing around with some new lighting and just different lighting placement. So I'm experimenting. So forgive me if the lighting isn't too good. Like, I can't tell if I'm overexposed or not. So I guess I'll just have to find out when I edit this video, and by that point it'll be too late to fix the lighting. So, besides color correction, so my apologies if the lighting is really bad in this video. But anyway, to the box. So here's what is inside. There goes something that was inside. Oh, some stickers. So here's some stickers here. Not that that's exciting. We've got a Step Into the Sun, $15 off your first FabFitFun box. Our friend, obviously, I can't give $15 off because I already subscribed. And then the catalog that is featured in all of the FabFitFun boxes, which will tell us how much each item inside the box is worth. I think. No, it won't. No. Okay guys, this is really interesting, but I'm looking through this and it has the customization options and everything, but typically it has like a little excerpt about each product and then it will tell you how much the product is worth, but that's not in this box, which is kind of like weird to me because I like to add up the dollar amount of each box and compare it to what you're paying, and I have a feeling that them not including the prices or value for each item in this box is like kind of a transparency issue, and I have a feeling that that's going to upset a lot of people. So I'm going to have to look into that. Like, it just has like pictures of the items and the names, like no dollar amount, nothing. So that's really interesting and not in a good way, to be honest. So here is the Hellofresh coupon that they include in just about every box, and then we've got what is inside, and since there's no dollar amount on this catalog, I guess we can just throw it to the side and I will read you what is on the bottles. So right off the bat, we've got a blush pineapple shaped ice mold. It is a silicone ice tray. I mean, that's cute for summer, I guess. So here just a plain silicone ice tray. I can't imagine that this is worth a lot of money, so I'll just put that aside. I'm definitely gonna have to do some digging and I'll put my findings in the description to this video to see if I can find dollar values for each of the products inside and come up with a value for the box on my own. So next we have a Barefoot Scientist pedicure file. So here it is here. Let's open it up. Now, I haven't heard of either the brand Blush or Barefoot Scientist, so I can't tell you what I think of these brands because it's the first time I'm discovering them. So here it is here, if you can see, it's got like the, I don't even know the words. It's got like, I told you, it's been a very long day and week so far, and it's only Tuesday. But it's got a smoother side on this side, and then a more like bumpy side on this side. If it's even going to focus anymore, probably not, because that's the day I'm having. So again, I can't imagine that this is worth a lot of money. So this is something I'm going to have to look into. So far I'm not very impressed with this box, but it's only been 2 items and usually there's 8, so we still got quite a few items to go. Okay, next from the Dunn Artisan collection. Now Dunn is actually a brand that I have heard of, and it's because I know that there are crazy people out there who collect Dunn stuff and will literally line up outside of Marshalls or Home Goods or TJ Maxx or wherever and fight people to the death to get these Dunn products. I personally am not one of those people, but I have heard of this brand because of that. Just broke a nail on the box because of course I did. That is the day I'm having. It says here it is a guac and salsa bowl set. So if I can open it without breaking off any other nails, let's see. So we've got the 2 little like spoons here, wooden spoons. So here is the guac bowl. And here is the salsa bowl. I mean, they're all right. They're cute. I'm sure I will get some use out of them. I don't think that they're going to be worth a whole lot of money. I know they're very coveted. It's a very coveted brand, but seeing as it sells at like Home Goods and Marshalls and TJ Maxx, I can't imagine the dollar value being a lot, but maybe I'll be proven wrong when I look it up. I literally ripped a whole nail off opening that. Okay, next we have a brand that I have heard of before and a product that I will use, and it is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. I can always go for and need some dry shampoo, especially because doing my hair nowadays is far and few between. If this will ever focus, probably not. What is going on tonight? Okay, so I think it's focused. Yeah, so here it is here. This is a brand I've heard of. It feels like there's not a lot in, like it doesn't feel full. I don't know. But anyway, I believe this brand is worth quite a bit, so I will have to look it up. But I could always use some dry shampoo, and I haven't tried this dry shampoo yet, but I have heard good things. Okay, next we have, I don't know what this is. It says here it is from Virginia Wolf. It is a wrap. It says you can wear it as a scarf, a halter dress, a classic sarong, and a bandeau dress. None of these items so far sound like things I would have customized, so I don't know if I did. And if you hear any rustling of paper, that's because my dog is going through all the trash next to me. But anyway, here's the wrap. I mean, the print is cute. This is a cute print. I mean, I like this. I like this print. I'm sure I can use this as like a bathing suit cover up or something. There's literally like dust from this flying all over the place. But I'm sure I can use this as like a bathing suit cover up or something this summer. Figuring out how to wrap it is going to be an endeavor in itself, so I will have to figure that out. But in any case, I think this is cute. I don't know how much this is worth. Virginia Wolf sounds like a familiar brand, but I think I'm thinking of like a book or like a movie or something, not like a brand. So I'm gonna have to look this up. So next we have a fruit butter lip mask from Seraphim Botanicals. I haven't heard of this brand before, but here it is here. Will my camera focus? There we go. Look at that. Things are looking up. So I haven't heard of this brand before. I've tried quite a few lip masks throughout my days though, so I'll have to compare this to some of the others that I've tried. I've also recently received some lip masks in my BoxyCharm boxes that I received for June, and I unboxed those on this channel about like a week or so ago, depending on when I decide to post this video. But in any case, those lip masks are actually quite good, so we'll have to see if this one compares. But here is the tube here. Let's see if it smells. It says that it is cruelty-free and vegan. Let's see if it smells like anything. Oh, It smells very summery. Like, I don't know how to describe that, but it smells like summer, and I like that. But I don't know how much a lip mask can really be worth, so again, I will have to look that up and see if it is worth it. Okay, we've got another brand that I have heard of before, and it is Ciate London. It is their Watermelon Burst Setting Spray. I always love getting some good setting sprays. Haven't gotten a new one in quite some time, even though I say that, but literally there's a drawer behind me that's got like 6 setting sprays in it, but I like trying different ones and seeing which ones I like the best. So this one is from Ciate London. I haven't tried this before, but this is a good brand. Here is the setting spray here. Are we gonna focus? Come on. There we go. Look at that. So here it is here. I'll have to try it out. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, it really does smell like watermelon. I like it. So I'm gonna have to try this out on my makeup tomorrow because I'm about to wash my face for the night, so I'm not gonna spray some on now. I feel like this is probably worth a decent amount of money because of the brand. I will have to look it up though. And now our last product, it is from Mine Tan Body Skin, and it is the Replenishing Rapid Recovery After Sun Gel enriched with soothing aloe vera and niacinamide. So it is a moisturizing after sun gel. So here it is here. I actually dig this because I get sunburn quite a lot, which is funny because I'm actually Hawaiian, so I'm Pacific Islander, and you would think that I would get tan, but I don't. Like, I do, but I still get very burned. So this will be good for me this summer. Actually, I'm going to ask my husband to go on a beach trip maybe within the next week or so because I'm going to need it after this week. So we'll see if he agrees, and I'll have to try this out when I inevitably get burned. So that was the last item in the box. If I'm being completely honest, I don't know if this box was worth it. I'm really going to have to do some digging and find prices. As a matter of fact, let me do that now and let's see what I come up with. Okay, so a few findings. First, the Seraphim Botanicals lip mask. I actually have tried that brand before. There was a lip mask that I received in a BoxyCharm about a few months ago with an apple lip mask in it that is from Seraphim Botanicals, and I love that lip mask. So I have high hopes for this lip mask. 2, the Virginia Wolf brand actually has some really cute stuff on their website, so definitely check that out. And 3, this box was valued at $236.95, which isn't bad. However, previous boxes, most of the previous boxes that I've received from FabFitFun have been around the $400 range. So this is definitely one of the lower price boxes that I've received. And if you are paying, you know, for this box on a quarterly basis, you're paying $50. So it's really a matter of, do you think it is worth it to pay the $50 to receive what was inside of this box? There were other things you could have received, so not everybody is going to get the same things that I received in my box. There are other options. So some of the other things that you could have received were the PMD, like silicone skincare little tool, which that's actually worth quite a bit of money. I received that in a Cause box before. There was a beach tote. You could have received a wine chiller, a tie-dye towel, which was in a box last year. There was an outdoor blanket, some resistance hip bands, a jewelry case, a detox shampoo and scalp massager from Way, a nightgown, a Bluetooth speaker, a cooler bag, which is another option from last year, a Tarte moisturizer, Corksicle wine tumbler, some sunscreen from Supergoop, some blue light blocking glasses from Nectar, which is another one from last year, and I actually got those from last year. I use it for work all the time. There is a water resistance pouch, a build your own bracelet kit, a shimmering gold oil from African Botanics, some brain teasers. There's a lot of things that, like, I just didn't really think were worth it this box. There's a selfie ring light, a printed tray, a hydration mask, a cleanser from Dr. Brandt, which is also from last year, a set of cutting boards. So this is interesting. Customization number 6. So it has, I guess it depends on the value of the products. So I received the lip butter, the pedicure file, and the pineapple ice mold tray, which was considered all one customization. You could have also received the pedicure file, the pineapple tray, and a infused buffer, the pedicure file, a reusable makeup swabs, and a shadow stick. You could have gotten the ice mold, a citrus squeezer, and the lip mask, or you could have gotten the shadow stick, squeezer, citrus squeezer, and makeup swabs. So there was kind of like different variations of what you could have received, but in lieu of that, you could have also gotten some Kate Spade workout socks and eye gels, or you could have gotten a truffle therapy cleansing cream and a pore cleansing clay mask, which personally I probably would have preferred that. Or you could have just solely received a super eye serum, which I've received in a past box, a Ole Henriksen facial mask, a Lashes MD eyelash conditioner, or a Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. So that last customization is different than what they've done before and quite confusing, to be honest. Interesting. All in all, I hope that they don't do future boxes the way that they did this box with bringing back old products, which they say were fan favorites. But if it was a fan favorite, that means that that person already received that product and are already using it. And a lot of the products aren't like a makeup or skincare product where you can run out and want more. It was more like the wine cooler, the tie-dye towel, which you probably don't want 2 of those. So I thought it was interesting that they did that. I kind of hope they don't do that in the future, because I really look to these subscription boxes as a way to discover new brands and new products, that some of which I end up loving and repurchasing on my own accord. So I feel like I prefer like newer, different products, or products that I may not have heard of before. But all in all, $236 for a $50 box isn't bad. Were past boxes better? Yes, but I'm still quite pleased with this box, and I'm very interested to see what future boxes hold. And if you received a FabFitFun box this summer, please let me know, and let me know what you thought of this summer's box, because I'm really interested to hear what other people thought. And if there are any other subscription boxes out there that you would like me to unbox and try out, or let you know what I think of them, please let me know in the comments, and I will do my best to try and get my hands on them. And if you liked today's video, make sure you hit the red button down below, subscribe to my channel, click the bell next to it to be notified whenever I post, and make sure you follow me on social media at Brie Cutter. And until next time, see you guys.